Today's video we are going to do Windows 10 installation and partition during installation. I am using USB drive as my bootable device, so we can start now. It's going to boot from USB. This is the first step of Windows 10 installation. You need to select your language, English, and you need to select your keyboards. And then after selecting that, you need to press next. Then click install now. If you have product key, please upload the product key here. If you don't have, you can now select this option. You can upload the product key later. I am uploading later, so personally I don't have a product key now. You need to select which version you need. I'm selecting Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Select next. You need to accept the terms and condition. Then next. This is very important. If you're going for installation, you need to select custom install Windows only. If you're going for upgrade, if you are still using Windows 8 and you need to upgrade to Windows 10, you need to select upgrade option. Now I am going to select this custom install Windows only. This is driver partition option, driver selection option. I have a 500 GB hard disk. So first you need to press new and type how much size you needed. This is C drive. I'm selecting for base 1 GB or 100 GB for C drive. I'm selecting 100 GB for C. You can make only 3 partitions in Windows 10. I'm waiting for coming. Yeah, all come. Windows 10 allow only 3 partitions. So I divided this into 3 partitions. First, this is the first one, C. That's 97 GB. Drive not shows exact size. That's why it's 97. Now we can go for next one. This is D. Press new. I selected as 200 GB. Plus apply. I'm using all full size for this. Yeah, now it's all clear. Yeah, you need to this is C, this is D, this is E. Now I am going to format this. Select and format. Select and format. Select and format. Then select C. This is the C drive, 100 GB, installers 97, and select I'm installing my Windows on C drive, and select next. Now it's installing. This takes some half an hour, so I'm skipping this steps. This is after 3 minutes. I'm waiting for this completion. This is after 12 minutes. Still installing updates. We need to wait some more time. Now it's installation finished. It's going to restart. This step takes some more time. You need to wait. Now it's restarting. No need to do anything. Still restarting and it's still working. You need to wait patiently. Installation. This is the first step. You need to select your country. Wait more. This is the keyboard. You need to select which type of keyboard you needed. Do you need additional keyboard? Please add layout. I don't need this. You need to connect to your internet, and if you have Wi-Fi, you can need to enter the password and press next. Then it takes some updates, some theme features, like some features from internet. Press next. Which type are you using? Personal? I use this setup for personal usage, and press next. You need to sign up using your Microsoft email or Skype or phone number. You need to enter your password. After you sign in, now you need to create a pin. You need to create a pin. This for security reason, like your mobile security, fingerprint. Like you need to create a 4 pin or any type of pin. Enter your pin. After entering, you need to press OK. Then please wait. This is activity history. I don't need this. If you need it, you press yes. I'm also pressing yes. This is for accessing your mobile phone, not for notification. I don't need it, and I do like to. This is OneDrive. OneDrive will help you to save your files like Google Drive. If you need it, you need to sign in. This is Office usage. If you have product key, you need to upload your product key for Office. Try for free option is there. I'm doing that. Digital assistant help. This is digital assistant help. If you need any help from Windows side, you need to accept. Like you need to accept all terms and conditions. We are reaching the final step. Yeah, we are finishing the step. Thanks for watching my video. I know my video is shaking, some camera problem is there. Thanks for watching all. Smash that like button for me. For more videos from me, please subscribe. Now it's ready for Windows, is ready for usage. Yeah, this is your Windows now. Thanks for watching my video.